Right, hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do like a two-part video. So Josh is going to quickly teach you how to kind of check a bike and what's not on it. And then we're going to kind of get you to jump on both of them. So we're going to teach you to jump on a scooter properly and a bike properly, because without the jumps then you can't really do any tricks. And then afterwards I'll teach you all how to do a bar spin in the easiest way.
Alright guys, so I'm going to quickly talk you through my bike, what you need to look for, and some good brands to look out for as well when you're buying or building or just purchasing a whole bike in general. What you want to look out for mainly is, I always ask this, I tell everyone to ask this when they go, oh, I'm going to buy a bike, I'm going to make sure you ask this, if that's a free cushion or not. And what that means is when you go fakie, which is when your bike moves back, you see when my bike goes back these pedals move. Basically that means I've got to pedal back with the bike when I'm going fakie. If it's a free coaster, these will stay in the same position, will not move, and you don't have to pedal back with it. It makes it easier just to concentrate on the bars, your movement on the bars to keep the bike going, and you don't fall. Also, you want to check your spokes aren't broken. If your spokes are broken, then your bike's going to have a nice, what's it called? When it goes like side to side, when you're biking. What's it called?
Oh, fucking...
Alright, we'll call it Liam's Nan. You're going to get a really nice Liam's Nan on your wheel. So that's where it goes side to side when you're biking. It's not actually called that, we just put it out. You also want to check your brakes. I've had some issues with my brakes over the past few days, which I didn't check them when I bought them. Basically, this bit on the brakes here, if you want to come and get a closer look, here, sometimes people put too long or too short of a cable on. And when it's too short, it pushes these in onto the bike and your wheel will not move. And if it's too big, when you push it, it's not going to do anything. So you need to make sure you've got the correct size and they haven't tampered with the brakes that much unless they've had to. You want to make sure your chain is the right size. Some people put too big of chains on and then it skips when it's going around, or it's too short and it's just going to snap. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can check your cranks and that, one come loose, but that's not a big issue. Just tighten it back up. Just make sure people talk with you when you go down to the tracks. Brands you want to look out for really. My main brand that I buy is We The People. I've got We The People C, We The People Frame, Cranks. So yeah, they're a really good brand. Their frames can take a big beating. And if you buy cheap frames, the problem is with cheap frames, they're very likely to get a crack, and they always happen to get a crack here, mainly. I say mainly because sometimes they're cracked, sometimes they're alright, but if they do crack, it's mainly going to be here. And you really don't want to crack there, especially where your bars are in that, where it guides your wheel, forks. Yeah, so I would recommend the We The People. My tyres are Federal Salt, which are really good making tyres. Probably one of the best makes for a BMX. I think a lot of people ride Federal Salt tyres.
Right guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to jump on a scooter in two ways and bar spin. So the two ways you can do is this flat-footed one, where both wheels go at the same time. Obviously it wasn't very hard, just showing you how to do it. And then you've got the front wheel, back wheel, where most people do it like that, because you get more height on it. So with the front wheel, back wheel technique, you want to practice bringing your front up, like that. And then obviously afterwards you want to practice bringing your back up like that. But don't bring your back up until your front wheel is at its peak. It's the same with the BMX. And then obviously with the flat-footed one, pull up like that, practice pulling up, and then obviously when you feet you've got to jump up with it, so you pull up to end up going up that, which is easy enough. And then to bar spin, it's pretty easy to be honest once you get used to it, and it's a cool trick to show. Just practice going like that, just practice that, which is easy enough. Just for at least an hour, just practice that until you've got that catching movement perfect. And then once you do it, you should be alright. Like that, which is easy enough. So after all of that, Josh is going to attempt it in my way and then see if he does it. Hopefully he does.
I am not a scooter guy. I'm really not. That's my BMX. I love the BMX. Watching the X Games and that. I'm not a scooter guy at all. I mean, yeah, you saw me in the video yesterday on scoot, tail whipping that sort of. I don't know how to bar spin at all. So yeah, we're going to try and follow Liam's attempts. I'm just going to give it a quick, like once around on the floor, like that, yeah. Okay, do you reckon I'm ready to start?
Yeah? I think you should be alright.
Okay, we'll just give it a go. If I fail, we'll have another attempt.
Oh, there you go, you got it. Sorted. Nice.
Boom!
Boom.
Yes, let's go, lads!
I have it, guys. Obviously, the technique does work. It's not going to work every single time, obviously, but all you got to do is practice. Practice makes perfect, and you'll get there eventually. So just keep practicing, guys. And then, if you want, in the comments, tell us you've done it, and then brilliant.
Right, guys, what's up? I am back in my home territory on my beloved BMX, and I'm going to teach you to jump them ramps. And yeah, obviously, you're not going to get it straight away. You're still going to need practice. It's not like a scooter where you can just pick it up. Your scooter's crap. Let's be honest. Alright, so BMX is hard, and BMX is all about technique. And you can't do tricks. You can't learn tricks. You can learn tricks without these, but if you're doing tricks on these, you've got the basis of your trick is getting height and clearing these ramps. So I've always told these two, and Sam's picked up better than Liam, but Liam is getting there. I've always told them that when you're going up, you need to get as much speed as possible. Not too much speed where like you lose control and your balance and that. Just it's hard to gauge the speed you need, but that's something that will come with it. Like you can't teach that. You just learn to gauge the speed that you need. So I always say as well, when this applies for everyone. Liam's recently learnt this because I've had to tell him 100 times because he doesn't listen. When you're going up the ramp, your feet need to be flat like that. So when you're in the air, you can bring your legs up, because if your legs up here, like you see in recent clips of Liam on the bike, if your legs up here, you can't bring that up anymore, and the bike's naturally wanting to push up against you, and you're forcing that bike down because you're in this position. You're never going to clear that. Also, there's a high risk you're falling off because of balance. So your feet need to be pretty much in line, flat with each other. Alright, so let's go down to the ramp and I'll show you something. Right, so this is a roller. This is the only one that really has it before you jump. And on this, you do not want to get air on this roller. You get air on this, you're losing speed, go up there, and balance. I mean, if you want to jump it, that's fine. Some people do. I wouldn't recommend it if you're learning though. Right, so we get to this big one here. This is my favourite ramp to jump. I love this ramp. I hate that one. I love this one. So, you're jumping. Obviously, you're just going to roll up. When your tyre gets about here, this is the position in about you want to pull up. So, you pull your front wheel up. Yeah, and you keep that in the air. You try and keep that hanging for as long as you can. So you pull your front wheel up. Naturally, your back wheel's going to come up with it, and that's where you've got to pump it like that. You've got to push back on your pedals. Well, that's what I do. But obviously not push back like this, because your wheel's going to move. I'll show you in a minute of me actually doing it. I just want to talk you through it. And then this is where you tuck your legs up, keep them hanging in the air about this height. And then as you come back down, your front wheel's going to land. And your back will land and you clear it. And obviously me talking about this and saying it and showing you, it's going to look easy, but trust me, it took me about 2 weeks to learn this ramp, to jump it, clear it, trick it, effing. So I'm going to give you a little run through, Sam, if you just want to stand here.
Yep.
And all I want you to watch is where I stop pedaling, where I tuck my legs up, where I bring my legs up to my body when I jump, and also I want you to see where I pull up. These are the three main things you've got to watch to jump this ramp. Where I stop pedaling, how much speed I have, where I pull up. Obviously, it sounds a lot compared to the scooter, but on it feels amazing once you've done it. Even though I can do it, it still feels amazing when I do it. So, and just to prove my point, I was going to get Liam to lie on the ramp, but he's on the phone, so I can't anymore. So I was going to jump it. Remember, what's where I cut, spin it, pedaling, where I pull up, all that stuff, yeah? And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. So just make sure you keep practicing that. Go over and over it and over it again until you feel comfortable. And that's it, so yeah, onto some sick clips. That was sick. That. Nice. With a bad back as well.